How you doing? It's Nathan for Video Journal 2, Chapter 1. Um, I spend an average of a couple hours on electronic media every week, especially with like music, like on YouTube. Um, uh, has your view or listening changed since college? Well, not really. It's been basically about the same. I've always listened to a bunch of music, and I've always been on a bunch of different electronic medias. Such as like Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. Most of how familiar with pop culture are you, and where do you get most of my information from? Probably Twitter. Uh, I try to stay out of most of it because it doesn't involve me too much, so I don't really care and keep up with a couple different things here and there. But most of it isn't about me or affects me, so I don't really focus too much on it. What is the social benefit from electronic media? I mean, we're more easily connected. I wouldn't say well connected because I think sometimes electronic media can actually hinder, person to person interactions. But it's easier to get connected, especially with people from further distances away because of electronic media. Electronic media is the ambassador of our culture. I believe so. Because without electronic media, like if you took it all away right now, a lot of people wouldn't know what the heck to do with anything. They just kind of sit there and look kind of bumfungled, like, uh, why do we know so much about celebrities? Blah 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 blah. Like, honestly, it's something about our culture. Like, it. I'm trying to find the words to put to it, but basically, we kind of obsess about it because they're of a higher standing point. Everyone kind of looks towards them to see what they're doing, see how they got in that position, how they are the way they are, and what's made them there today. So we kind of obsess about that kind of stuff. That's why, heck, even if they're going to the grocery store, kind of obsessed with it. Electronic media has influenced me in many different ways, especially with my music and the way I dress and the way I act and some of my tattoos. Oh, you can't see that one. There it is. Are you different from students years ago because of electronic media? Yes. Honestly, because of the media we have today, we're majorly different from the students years ago. But I mean, whether it's YouTube, Twitter, I mean, it's a lot easier. Heck, we got more internet than I don't know. It's so much easier to get knowledge nowadays, but yet no one gets it because it's all available. We just, if we needed to know it, you just Google it. Can studying electronic media help in your everyday life? Well, I mean, not my everyday life, but And will studying electronic music help you in your career? I hope so, because I want to be a producer. So the more I know, the better. Knowledge is power. This went way over. I do apologize.